Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix the spotlight search not working on iOS 16 and above. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, I'd like to recommend you to force restart your mobile device because that does normally help solve a lot of temporary software glitches. In order to force restart, all you need to do is quickly press and release the volume up and down button and hold the power button until the Apple logo shows up or appears. The second thing you can do is simply go ahead and head into your settings, just like that. And now simply go ahead into Siri and search right over here. And now once you're in here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for show in-app search. And make sure that is turned on for you. So it is as simple as that. The other thing you can do is simply go ahead and reset all settings by heading into settings, then general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.